Now that you have watched both of the Khan Academy videos that I have posted, you should have a better idea of what equivalent fractions are and how to recognize them. And you should also be able to compare fractions. The next step is to complete the Google form titled "Let's See What You Know About Comparing" and finish to the best of your ability. So the Google form is right here. You'll just click on that. And then, like you accessed the activities in the previous module, you'll click on here to get to the Google form. And do not worry if you cannot answer them, as well as we will be having more future practice. So just answer these to the best of your ability. This is just for me to see what we need to work on some more. And then once you're done with that, then you'll go back to the module for this week. And after you finish the Google form, then I want you to click on the link I have below the Google form titled Padlet Post. This is kind of like a discussion page on Canvas that you guys have done before, but a little different so you can make it more customizable. So you're going to click on this. You're going to click on that link. And you're going to get to this page. And in the Padlet post, you will add to the discussion page that I've created, and you will create a new post. Here you will write about the strategy you use for determining if two fractions are equivalent and how one is bigger than the other. You can use either of the strategies used in the Khan Academy videos above, or if you found a new way to solve these, you can go ahead and write about that. You're doing this to help your classmates find ways to solve these if they are still confused or if they simply want a different way to look at these kinds of problems. So to make a new post, you will double click and you will title it, let's say your name is Carly. So you'll name it Carly's Strategy. And then you'll go ahead and write my strategy was blah, 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 blah. And then if you want to, you can add a drawing. So you'll come here, you'll hit draw, and you can go ahead and draw like a timeline. You can draw a shape and whatever you want to do with that. A drawing really helps to customize it and help the other students see how you found out your own strategy. So then once you do that, it will save automatically. And I'll go ahead and delete that because we don't have a Carly in class. And that's all you have to do with that. So then you'll just exit out of that. And then you're done with this week's module. If you want to see the checklist for this week assignment, it's just whether you completed it or not. So you can get 5 easy points by completing both of these, or you get 0 points if you did not complete any of these. So go ahead now and close this video and move on to the Google form and the Padlet post.